How to operate the door lock. If you have a key-operated lock, then to lock it you must first lift the handle to engage the hooks. Gently release the handle to its original position, then insert and turn the key one full turn to lock the door. Remove the key. To check the door is locked, try and push the handle down. If it does not go down, then it is locked. To open and unlock the door, insert the key, rotate the key one full turn in the opposite direction, push down on the handle to release the hooks, then turn and hold the key to the left to release the latch. Push the door to open.